Who are the new brothers?
Oh my god, TJ, don't. You're making it really lame.
They're cannibals.
Is it this guy next to our right? Should I kill him?
No.
No.
Yes.
Why?
Let's do it.
Let's, yeah.
No,
Let's,
no.
All right.
Listen. This is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna take that guy with the chainsaw away, and I'm gonna tell him to come back and murder the other pink shirty.
Yes. Alright, we have to have an individual talk with each of you in order for you to join our group.
Sound resumed.
He's coming over.
Microphone activated.
He's close. He's coming over. He's coming over. He's coming over. Are you guys? Did you convince him? What's that about?
He's gonna do it.
Oh my god. Okay.
I'd stand away from him.
What's it called? My chainsaw for your sledgehammer. I think that's a fair trade.
Oh, okay, I agree.
let him play it out.
Blood.
What the fuck just happened?
Oh my god.
Holy crap,
guys, we have
Team speak. He played that out so freaking.
Oh my god, man. Well fucking done.
You gotta play, like, if I turned that on, you would have ran away, right?